If you want to block the internet access for specific apps on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you the exact process on how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Data Usage, then tap on Allowed Networks for apps. And from here, you can block the internet access for specific apps on your Samsung phone. For example, if you want to block the internet access for Google Chrome, just tap on Google Chrome. Now, instead of mobile data preferred or mobile data or Wi-Fi, just select Wi-Fi only. And by doing that, the selected app will run only on Wi-Fi and you will block the mobile data access from the selected app. And remember that this feature will not block the internet access for the selected app. You can only customize which app can use the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. For example, if you do not want to give the calendar app the access for your Wi-Fi, just select mobile data preferred. And if you want to give a specific app access to both mobile data and Wi-Fi network, you can select mobile data or Wi-Fi. Just like that. And this is how you can block the internet access for specific apps on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.